Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 10.3, part 2, area of regular polygons. We are going to continue our lesson of yesterday. Here we have the first exercise. A honeycomb is made up of irregular hexagonal cells. The length is hexagonals. Don't forget hexagon means 6 sides. The length of a side of a cell is 3 millimeter. What is the area of a cell? Let's remember our rule of yesterday. The area of any regular polygon is like that. Half AP. A is the apothem, B is the perimeter of the polygon. So here, according to our problem, we have hexagon. So we are going to draw an hexagon. After that, this is the center of the hexagon. Draw the radius and another radius and another radius. After that, draw the apothem here. So we need to find the apothem and we need to find the perimeter of the hexagon. This side is 3 millimeter. That means this side also 3, this side also 3 because it's regular. This side is 3, this side is 3, this side is 3. And according to our condition of the apothem, this side is 3 millimeter. It should divide the side into 2 equal parts. So this part will be 1.5 and this part will be 1.5. So from here to here 1.5 and from here to here also 1.5. First we need to find the central angle between the two radii. As I told you before, we are going to make 360 divided by 6. 360 is constant because central angle around the center of the circle equals 360 divided by 6 because it's hexagon. 360 divided by 6 is 60. That means this angle will be 60. After that, make 60 divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because the apothem divides the vertex angle into 2 congruent angles. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. That means this angle is 30 degrees and this angle is 30 degrees. This 30, this 30. Now we are going to use this triangle to find the apothem. The triangle is like that. Let's draw it outside. The triangle is like that. We have right angle here and this angle is 30 and this side is 1.5. As we know, in 30-60 triangle, if you have a 90 degrees and 30 degrees in a triangle, this triangle is called 30-60 triangle. The side opposite to, we need to find the apothem, this one, the height. The side opposite to the angle 30 is half the length of the hypotenuse. So this is 1.5. So the hypotenuse here, the biggest side, will be 3. And we know that the radius is 3, no problem. After that, we need to find A by using Pythagoras theorem. Square root, the length of A equals the square root of 3 power 2 minus 1.5 power 2. This is called Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle. 3 power 2 minus 1.5 power 2, it will be the answer like that. 3 square root 3 over 2. Now we have the apothem, and we need to find the perimeter of the polygon. The perimeter of the polygon is 3 because the side is 3 times its hexagon times 6 is 18 millimeter. Now we can find the area. The area equals half times A times B. So it will be half times A is 3 square root 3 over 2 times B is 18. Let's find the answer. Times half times 3 root 3 over 2 times 18. The answer 27 square root 3 excuse me over 2 millimeter square. So the answer here 27 square root 3 over 2 millimeter square. Another exercise. The same exercise but different numbers. The side length of a regular hexagon is 16 feet. That means this side is 16 and this side also 16, 16, 16 and so on. What is the area of the hexagon? As I told you before, draw the hexagon like that. Draw a radii and draw the apothem. We need to find the apothem and the perimeter. The perimeter is very easy because we have the side length of the hexagon, no problem. Now we need to find the apothem. How come? As usual, we are going to divide 360 by 6 because this is the accumulative angles at a point, and 6 because it's hexagon. So it will be 60 degrees. This will be 60. After that, divide 60 by 2. It will be 30 because each angle inside this triangle will be 30 because the apothem divides the vertex angle into two congruent angles. Let's draw this triangle outside because we are going to use it. This is the apothem. We need to find this side. According to this side is 16, so this part is 8 and this part is 8. The two parts here should be equal, so this part is 8. What about this? This is the radius. The radius here 16. We need to find the apothem by using Pythagoras theorem. A equals square root, because the apothem here is the smallest part or the smallest side, we are going to make 16 power 2 minus 8 power 2. Let's find it. Square root 16 power 2 minus 8 power 2. It will be again square root 16 power 2 minus 8 power 2. The answer is 8 square root 3 feet. Now we have the apothem. Find P, the perimeter of the hexagon. The perimeter is 16, the side length, times 6 because it's a hexagon. 16 times 6 is 96 feet square. Now we can find the area. Area of the hexagon is half times A times B. So it will be half times 8 square root 3 times P, the perimeter is 96. half times 8 square root 3 times 96. The answer is 665.1. It's approximately feet square. So this will be feet, sorry, because it's a perimeter. The next one, find the area of the following regular polygon. Here we have a regular triangle and we have only the side lengths. First, draw the apothem to find it. Here, this is the apothem. And because of this side 8, so this will be 8, and here 4 and 4. This side will be 4 and 4. Now we need to find the apothem. We are going to make 360 divided by 3. Why divided by 3? Because it's a triangle, yes. So the answer here is 360 divided by 3 is 120. Don't forget to make 120 divided by what? Yes, divided by 2. It will be 60. It will be 60. So each angle here is 60. Because the regular triangle, each angle inside it is 60. What about this angle? This will be 30 and this will be 30. So we are going to use any triangle you want, like that. This triangle, for example, this is the apothem, which I need to find. This angle is 90 and this angle is 60 and the smallest one is 30 and this part is 4. As I told you before, this is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is equals 8 because the 3 sides are equal. We need to find the apothem by using Pythagoras theorem. So it will be 8 power 2 minus 4 power 2 square root 8 power 2 minus 4 power 2. It will be 4 square root 3. Now we can find the perimeter of the regular triangle. It will be 8 the side times 3 because we have 3 sides, 24 inch. Now you can find the area according to our rule. Half AB means half times A is 4 square root 3 times P is 24. So the answer, half times 4 square root 3 times 24. The answer is 48 square root 3 inch power 2. Let's revise what we studied before in the previous lesson. Find the area of each regular polygon with given apothem A and the sides. We have the apothem and the side. Decagon means 10 sides. The apothem and the side. We need only to find the perimeter, which is the side multiplied by the number of sides. Because we have 10 sides, decagon means 10 sides. It will be 123 meters. Now the area is half AP, means half times 19 times the perimeter is 123. Half times 19 times 123. It will be 1168 0.5 meter square. 1168.5. Another exercise, nonagon. Nonagon means 9 sides, and the apostome here and the side. First, we need to find the perimeter of the polygon. It will be side is 20 times 9 because it's a nonagon, 180 inch. Now we can find the perimeter half AB. It will be half times A, 27.5 times P is 20. Sorry, B is 180. Let's find the answer. Half times 27.5 times 180 is 2475 inch square. Now we finished our lesson. I hope you understood this lesson well. Please don't forget your online assignment and study the rule before you solving your homework. Thanks. Have a nice day.